Alright, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Tony today. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We've done once on our channel, but it's a different type of video. We're going to be doing an IRL video of an unboxing airsofting stuff that I got from the store evike.com. It's not sponsored, of course. 133 subs. But I'll put it in the description if you guys want the stuff. But if you guys are brand new, welcome to my channel. We usually do gaming, but today we're unboxing some cool stuff. Airsoft electric rifle series. My older brother actually helped me with this stuff. He does airsofting and stuff. But I know you guys want to stop waiting. Let's take a look at this. Alright, first things first. We have the AIM Sports Reflex Sight Operator Edition. So we aren't going iron sights and stuff like that. It's pretty nice. Heavy, it's not light. It is light, but it doesn't feel terrible in durability. Alright. Next up, we have a battery because we have an electric rifle. Of course, we're going to need a battery. Pretty nice. Evike again. Made this one. And last but not least, to reveal the amazing airsoft stuff. There's the sick box. It's really nice. Alright. Now, let's take a look at this. Look at that. Sorry about that. So, we have the airsoft rifle right here. It is an electric one, as you guys know. Sorry, my camera's on. But let me grab this real quick so that I can showcase it more. We'll just forgot scissors, of course. I'm a stupid guy. Not a YouTuber, just a live streamer right now. Alright, there we go. Put that there. Alright, there we go. Now you guys can see the gun. As a gun, I didn't open it yet, so look at that. Very, very nice. And it comes with BBs and 2 magazines. Nah, it's 1. Okay. But it's pretty. It looks really nice. It's all metal. It's got its nice 11-inch barrel, an adjustable stock, a nice foregrip, magazine, and some .22 BBs, I believe. Everything that's metal. This metal. It's nice. Okay. Let's try something real quick. We're gonna actually unbox this. We'll showcase it to you guys. So, let's put the camera like so. Don't mind the other stuff in the background. It's just schoolwork. Alright. Here, let's make it a surprise for you guys. You guys already seen it, but you guys haven't seen it. If that makes sense. No, that makes terrible sense. Alright, I'll be quick, I promise. Hey, while you guys are waiting for me to get this, if you guys are new, man, make sure you guys subscribe. Oh, this thing is epic. Okay, let's see it. Okay, that's not gonna work. So, Look at this bad boy. It is super, super, super nice. I thought it was going to be super heavy, and I was going to struggle in the airsoft fields. But look at that. It's got a nice all-metal magazine too. Maybe plastic. It's all metal, I think, though. But that's the gun. Now let's show you guys the extra stuff that we got here today for you guys. We have more stuff that I got from my older brother. Thank you, Jacob. Really awesome, man. Alright, so couldn't be doing this video without you. We got 3 150 round mags, all filled. Don't mind the background noise, sorry. Family talking. And now this is what I'm most excited about. Look at this. Laser flashlight and I think it's dead, but a laser flashlight attachment. And then we got, of course, our main battery so that we can use our charger. It is the universal smart charger for the 0.9A stuff. But let's put this. We're gonna showcase it one last time. Alright. So, lastly, 4 magazines. Nice assault rifle. Didn't M4, by the way. Forgot to say that. Reflex, that. 4-grip, BBs. This is nice, too. It's got a solid grip. And that is it. That's all I have for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Again, if you guys are brand new, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you guys like these type of videos, IRL style, make sure you like and comment down below. And one last time, super clean. I wish you guys can feel it. It's so nice. So nice. But I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed again. Oh, here, hold on. The exact name of it if you guys want to get it. Right there. That's what it looks like. It looks like a nice M4 with like a scar barrel. Alright. Made in China. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And hopefully you guys have a wonderful week, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys later.